The Mass Hunter quantitative analysis software offers a flexible tool to help review your data. Once your batch is analyzed, from the View tab, click Compounds at a Glance to open the Compounds at a Glance window. Click the Setup Layout icon on the toolbar to display the Setup Graphics window, Samples tab. Arrange the desktop so that both the Compounds at a Glance and the Setup Graphics windows are visible. In the lower pane of the Setup Graphics window, select Samples to remove from the Compounds at a Glance window, and click the Remove button. Click the Apply button to see the changes in the Compounds at a Glance window. Click the Next button to display the Compounds tab. In the lower pane, click on the Type column to sort the compounds by type. Select all ISTD compounds by using Shift-click and click the Remove button. Click the Apply button to see the changes in the Compounds at a Glance window. The window now displays only target compounds. Click the Next button to display the Organize tab. In the area labeled Organize Rows By, select Samples. Click the Apply button to see the changes. Each column now displays a single compound, and each row displays the compounds found in the single sample. In the Review Mode area, select Compound by Compound. Click the Apply button to see the changes in the Compound at a Glance window. The Review button in the toolbar of the Compounds at a Glance window is now enabled. In this review mode, since Organize Rows by Samples was previously selected, a single named compound is displayed in the column, and each row in the column displays that compound result in the included sample. In the Pane Dimension area, select the drop-down, mouse over the upper left square, and continue mousing down until the panes display 1 by 6. Then click. Click the Apply button. The window now displays all samples containing a single compound. In the Display Options area, select Baselines and Fill Peaks. Click the Apply button to see the changes in the Compound at a Glance window. Click the Next button to display the Outlier tab. Select Peak Results, Qualifier, and Calibration, since these were already configured for this supplied example batch. Click OK to close the Setup Graphics window, and notice the highlighted pane in the Compounds at a Glance window. Right-click in any pane to display the context menu, and select Link All X-Axes. To see how this works, left-click and drag the scale, and observe the peaks moving in all panes. Use the right arrow icon in the toolbar to select MDMA. Mouse over the highlighted pane for Sample 1 to display the outlier message for this result. Double-click the Sample 1 pane to display the Manual Integrate window. This window displays the MDMA peak for Sample 1 on the left, and any previously configured overlay compounds to the right. In this case, the overlay is the qualifier. This step is not a valid example, but it does demonstrate how Mass Hunter works. Zoom the area at the base of the MDMA peak by right-clicking and dragging the mouse. Drag the peak endpoints as shown here. Notice that by increasing the peak area, the peak-to-qualifier ratio is now acceptable, and the outlier, indicated by the highlighted pane for MDMA in the Compounds at a Glance window, is gone. Close the Manual Integrate window.